various types of cyber attacks. According to research done by Brown University, up to 100 exposed ROS systems throughout the world were at high risk of attacks. Out of those 100 systems, 19 were fully operating robots risking confidential data and allowing hackers to monitor camera feeds and give input to machines. Thus, cyber attacks from hackers are likely to happen if security measures are ignored. Some other reasons for risks and threats in robots are old and not up-to-date software, weak authentication systems, embedded credentials, insecure communications, and unstable network and component isolation. Since criminals and hackers are always chasing sensitive data, such as companies' financial details, credit card information, and personal data, robots in a factory are at greater risk of attacks. Typically, the following are some of the ways hackers may corrupt or manipulate a factory robot security. Attack 1. Control parameter modification. Robots are automated, programmable machines, and in a control parameter modification attack, the hacker alters the values controlling a robotic device. Thus, the robot may receive faulty input resulting in a corrupted output, such as unexpected movements or inaccurate working procedures. The hacker can also access sensitive data stored on the device by making the robot defective and overpowering its security measures. He may destroy the data or replace it with faulty, misleading information, causing great harm to the industry. Attack 2. Calibration parameter modification. Calibration refers to the measurement technique of assigning value to a device's response in comparison to the predetermined reference standards. When a robot is connected to the system the first time, its sensors are calibrated. The controller receives this information after sensitive data is stored on the machine. A hacker may alter the calibration parameter, thus manipulating the robot's functionality to scan and detect, resulting in danger to others, or worse, death. Attack 3. Production logic modification. End-to-end encryptions in a robot protect the data between a sender and receiver. Since robots work with other devices, the communication between the two can be altered drastically by a hacker in between if the sent input is not cryptographically strong. The hacker may alter commands or entirely corrupt a task, causing great harm to the production line. Furthermore, confidential projects are at greater risk, especially if the data is not protected by advanced technologies. Attack 4. Robot signal modification. In this attack, the hacker messes with the signals of a robotic device, causing the machine to send faulty input. Consequently, the management application may receive incorrect alerts, wrong commands, and inaccurate signals from running robots. If left undetected, the malware and worms corrupting machines can shut down the entire production line. Attack 5. User-perceived robot state modification. A robot's state refers to the standard of its conduct. It may include the robot's orientation, position, velocity, or other collection of values defining the device's motion through time. A robot may be in any state, depending on the workflow. When a hacker modifies the user-perceived robot state, the status information of the robot is manipulated. As a result, the control management, or the operator on the other end, remains ignorant of the true status of the robot. If left unchecked, a robot's status attack can be hazardous for everyone since an undetected robot's position can harm anyone and the production line. Attack 6. Robot state modification. After manipulating the user-perceived robot state, the hacker's next step is to send faulty input to the device. It can result in losing control, harming the operator, and even causing deaths if the device continues receiving destructive commands. Additionally, the hacker may try to destroy the surroundings as much as possible, including the destruction of the device itself. Such an unfortunate event may lead to extreme loss of life, machinery, and production chain. If you are looking to integrate robotics and other automation solutions into your production, contact B2E Automation today. We can work with you to develop a custom solution that works best for you.